Really Great Reading is known for having some of the most well-organized and durable phonics manipulatives in the industry. We're thrilled to introduce you to our newest solution, our virtual letter tiles. Just like our other phonics manipulatives, these online letter tiles are used to explicitly demonstrate the basic principle of phonics, that letters represent sounds. This brief demonstration will show you how to use the virtual tiles to systematically demonstrate both phonemic awareness principles and basic phonics principles. Let's get started by seeing how the tiles can be used for phonemic awareness activities. First, we'll stretch or segment the sounds in the word cat. K, a, t. We can represent these three sounds with three color tiles, one color for each sound. We can use a routine called touch and say with the color tiles. Let's touch each tile while saying the sound it represents. You can see how the tiles enlarge slightly when you touch them to help students clearly see which tile represents which sound. We can blend the phonemes together to say the word. K, a, t, cat. We can also do some basic phoneme manipulation using the color tiles. Let's review the sounds we have. A, t, cat. We can change the word cat to mat by removing the sound k and replacing it with another color to represent the sound m. The new word is a, t, mat. We can manipulate the phonemes again, changing the final sound from t to p. Our new word is a, p, map. We can now move from phonemic awareness to phonics by matching a letter tile with each of the color tiles. Our color tiles represent the sounds a, p. What letter spells the sound m? The letter M spells so we can place the letter tile M beneath the first color tile to show this letter sound connection. The next sound we hear is a, which is the short A sound. We spell the short A sound with the letter A, so we'll bring down the letter tile A and place it below the second color tile. The last sound we hear is P, which we spell with the letter P. We place a P tile below the last color tile to show that P spells the sound P. We can do a brief word chaining activity now that we have letter tiles representing our sounds. The final sound in map is P. If we change the final sound P to sh, we can create a new word. We can replace the letter P with the digraph sh to spell the new sound sh. We call sh a digraph because it is two letters that work together to spell one sound. The letters S and H are on one letter tile since they work together to spell one sound. Let's touch and say our new word. A, sh, mash. Our new word is mash. We can add one more sound to the word mash to change it to the word smash. Let's place one more color tile at the very beginning of mash. This tile represents the sound s. We spell the sound s with the letter S. We can touch and say our new word. S, a, sh, smash. The letters S and M at the beginning of smash are a consonant blend. Each letter is on a separate letter tile because each letter spells one sound. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can use Really Great Reading's online letter tiles to explicitly teach phonemic awareness and basic phonics concepts. In the next few videos, you will see how you can use this tool to teach more advanced phonics and word attack skills.